Good morning, guys! Today is Wednesday. Wednesday, Samba Day. Yan, dito po kami every morning. Nag-exercise. Exercise. Exercise in the morning. Yan po ang liliksi po nila. Ang liliksi po kahit medyo may edad na kasi nag-exercise po para lumakas ang body. Ay, balay ko. Ang saya-saya. Good morning again, guys.